Hello there! If you're an agent in Denver looking to enhance your marketing strategy, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're talking about the power of social media in advertising your listings and just solds. I'm Jenny Usaj with Usaj Realty. Let's dive right in. First up, visibility. Social media platforms are used daily by millions of people. By marketing your Denver real estate listings here, you're ensuring a wide audience reach. Second, social media fosters engagement. Answering questions, reacting to comments, and starting conversations. It's all about creating that community around your listings. So let's talk money. Traditional marketing methods can be pricey. In contrast, social media is a cost-effective way to promote your listings, save money, and drive those results. It's a win-win. The cost of the video view, for example, is less than 2 cents, way cheaper than a postcard or a mailer. Moving on to targeted advertising. Platforms like Facebook and Instagram allow you to pinpoint specific geographic areas. While you can't specifically target a zip code or a protected class due to housing rules, you can focus on a 15-mile radius around the address or the city you want to target. What about targeting someone in San Francisco that wants to sell their home and have an interest in Colorado? You're just click, done. This increase in likelihood of reaching potential home buyers looking to move to Denver. Next up, brand building. With consistent engagement posts about your Denver real estate listings, you can establish your brand and build trust with your audience. It's time to stand out from the crowd. Also, instant updates about new listings or changes to the existing ones can be instantly communicated to your network. Let's not forget about visual appeal. With social media, you can share high-quality images and videos of your listings, showcasing the properties in the best light. Sharing testimonials from satisfied clients can boost your reputation and reassure potential buyers. Nothing speaks louder than a happy customer. Have a buyer that wants to sing your praises? Put that on social media. Then let other buyers know you are great to work with as an agent. Social media can help you engage with the local Denver community, positioning your business as a neighborhood expert, the go-to resource for everything Denver real estate. Lastly, social media platforms provide valuable analytic tools that track the success of your posts and ads, helping you refine your marketing strategy over time. Use data to drive your decision-making. So there you have it. The power of social media marketing your Denver real estate listings and sold. If you want to learn more about how you can start leveraging these benefits today and watch your real estate business reach new heights, please contact Usaj Realty. We're partnering with agents that want to take their real estate career to new heights. If you made it this far in the video, please do a favor and press that like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy selling!